Hey friends, if you wish to install and use WPS Office in Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now first of all, how to download it. Either open the Microsoft Store from the system tray or search for it, and do not download this software from the internet for many reasons. Search for WPS in the search bar, go to WPS Office, click on get and the installation will start. Now let's talk about what is WPS. So WPS is an alternative to Microsoft Office. It is free of cost, and the best part is that it is lighter and it supports all documents that work with Microsoft Office. So there are actually many alternatives, including LibreOffice, which is somewhat more popular, Apache Office, but Microsoft doesn't allow them, and if you check, you won't find them on the Microsoft Store. However, this option is very well available on the Microsoft Store, so I can pitch for it. Now let it download and install on the system. Once the app has downloaded, click on open. It will open WPS Office, click on agree and continue, and then on this again. And now you will be able to open files directly from here, or you can access a file, let's say this one, and right click on it and then select open with, and then click choose another app, select WPS Office and then click on always, and it will open with WPS Office. All PDF files will open with WPS Office if it is in PDF format. If it is in docx format or Excel format, it will also open with WPS. All files of that specific format. And now, as you can see, here's the interesting part. It has a way easier interface than Word and Office products, and it has almost all the newest features. So it's really excellent. I can use the night mode, I can use the eye protecting mode, I can use a lot of things here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.